on you to go. On you to go. On you to go. Telling you to go. Telling you to go.
Who is this? Huh? Who's this talking on my stream? Is that SG, yeah? Holy. Fine. Listen, man, if you really want me to make 10 bill right now, I'll do it, but only because you guys want it. Only because you guys want it. We can... Fine. Fuck it, chat. Who's ready to make some bread? That's the real question. I think I am. We'll do some SpongeBob type intro. I can't hear you. There you go. Listen, chat. Let's start the stream, man. I'm excited for this one. I can't lie. Let me change my camera settings real quick and then I'll jump on. All right. We are back. In 3, 2. Chat, what the fuck is happening, man? Welcome back to the streams, everybody. Holy, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. All of the above to all of you guys, chat. Listen, it's a big day today, right? We have FOMC, FOMC. The big daddy of all news events coming to you live today from TRLS headquarters. It's going to be a very interesting one, I can't lie. A lot of potential here. Mr. Powell doing his little dance later on today. Music, yeah, thank you, bro. All right, listen, what's good? Victory Settings, Product Architect, Anil, Mighty Meat, Tony, Ewan, Mr. Mochi. What's good, chat? How we doing, man? Welcome back to the streams, everybody. Holy, it's going to be a good one. What's good, Dylan, as well? Mr. Mochi's getting banned today. I can feel it. But look, man, like we said, FOMC later on today. It's going to be a very interesting time. But for right now, chat, gold's been pushing down this morning. Obviously, yesterday's daily closed extremely bullish, right? We're currently below all of the previous daily candles. Weekly's still bullish. I think, chat, correct me if I'm wrong, but the prediction is they're gonna cut the rates today. All right, which I think is good for the dollar, no? What happens to gold when interest rates drop? When interest rates drop, gold prices typically increase because gold becomes an attractive investment compared to interest-bearing assets like a bond. Okay, so it's good for gold then. All right, chat. Well, let's just say we're going to full margin gold then. Fuck it. But look, chat, let's do a little analysis jumping into the stream here. We got 4 hour as well, which did close bearish actually, but you are flipping now after making a bottom wick. 2 hour and 1 hour. Oh, the 2 hour closed like doji here. 1 hour. It's kind of interesting. So chat, I do think buys could be good today. Problem is we have made bearish structure. So if you know me, you know the TRLS strategy, you know I'm going to need to see a change in structure, right? And I think that's personally going to emanate, big word, from a closure above 3705.7. Once you close above there, you'll be breaking 30-minute structure. You'll be sweeping the lows. The 4 hour will have flipped bullish. Maybe you get a 2 hour bullish close as well. Then you see a nice little closure above, and we take it back up towards that daily flip, towards the highs, etc. chat. So that's what we'll look for in the meantime. First of all, first stop, I think it's going to be 714.9. which is going to give you 100 pips from this breakout here, which is pretty decent. After that, chat, we've got a level right here at 37.22, and then that should realistically take you as a minimum up towards, let's call it, I would say even like 27, right? But realistically, chat, once you start closing above these ranges, it's going to be pretty interesting nonetheless. But chat, if we do want to get sells, I personally think now we're going to need to see a closure below like 94.5. But to be honest, chat, the sells are not really what I'm looking for here. Like we said, the buys are going to be more valid, definitely. So chat, that closure above 05 is going to be the one here that we're looking for. Hopefully it plays out. Hopefully we can get a nice little position today. It's been a while since we've had a little position on stream. Nonetheless, chat, we're going to stay locked in, stay focused, stay disciplined, all those sort of things. And yeah, man. But look, how you guys been? How was everyone's trading day yesterday? I ended up passing another apex yesterday, but I did also blow one. So it's kind of an interesting day. But yeah, man. What's good, Ja? Welcome back, my bro. SG, I want to pay out. Mr. Mochi, man, you're getting no payouts. You're not allowed any payouts, bro. You're banned. I'm sorry, but you're banned from payouts at this point. Why not? Please, maybe one. Maybe one. All right, maybe I'll give you one. Mid PA before the news. Yeah, chat. It can play out that actually what happens is before news we just have the consolidation of doom. We'll see. Oh my days, we're finally getting a trim. I'm finally getting a trim today. Holy shit. Caught a beauty on GBP USD this morning. Just simple breakout method. Perfect start to the day. Good shit, Anil. Give Mochi a $10 payout. He doesn't even deserve 10 bucks, man. This guy's not locked in. Mid PA before an all-time high afterwards. Hopefully it doesn't just make the all-time high on news. Chat, we might have to hit the buy stop, sell stop meth. I can't lie, we might have to hit that. Nice little 5 contracts buy, 5 contracts sell on FOMC, and then just target 60 pips. That's a past account right there. Easy. Man's editing day 2 of Finding Love. I went on a date with a baddie. Market flip from 0.7 fib. Plus there's a trend line support. Holy shit. Sandmeat's bringing all of the fucking buzzwords today, eh? No Fibonacci's and no trend lines for me, my friend, but listen, we rejected nonetheless. I don't care where we rejected from, but we rejected from nonetheless these lows here. Now, all you need to see, chat, 2 hour has flipped here. It's reflipped temporarily, but it did flip. Hopefully we see a nice little closure above here. It's going to be easy today, chat. It's going to be very simple. We've got a Sky Dollar on the 2 minute. It's going to be interesting. Now, how much funding have I approached here, chat? On the road to $1 million in funding. I should have documented this whole journey. I mean, to be fair, I stream every day, right? So I kind of have, but I should have documented for Instagram or YouTube the road to 1 million. 150k Tradeify. Currently 400k Apex. 50k Top Step. 100k GFT. You do the maths, chat. Now that's 700. 700, no? 5. Wait, yeah, 200. Easy. Beanie peasy, chat. 700. That's kind of crazy. So the title is now correct for, who was it yesterday? Blizzy saying the title was misleading. Now the title's correct again. We're good. How's Tommy doing? He's alright, man. He's I don't even know what he's doing. He's probably scrolling. Nah, I'm joking. I think he's trading, but I'm not sure. Oh my days. Chat, by the way, I've got a new YouTube video coming out today, which is going to be a fucking banger. Alright, so if you haven't already, make sure you turn the notifications on the little bell down below. That one's going to come out shortly. It's actually a super short video explaining an entry model that I've been using recently. Or actually, it's technically 3 entry models in one, which is kind of sick. Get Tom off the doom scroll. I told him to come on stream today, and he said he would, but I don't know where he's at. How's the weather in Cyprus? It's pretty warm, man. It's cooling down a little bit for the winter, though. I think it's like 32 degrees right now. Yeah. Oh my days, what a guess. 32 degrees. So colder than normal, to be honest. Terrible. Fucking terrible stuff. Nah, realistically, that's actually quite a good thing. Because, bro, peak summer was hot. I'm talking like crazy hot. Like, we were literally 42 degrees on some days. 48 was the highest I saw. Way too hot, bro. Like, so hot that you can't even go outside, really. And now it's good. Good beach weather. Beanie peasy. What's the worst thing a girl could tell you on a first date, chat? That she's a man. Pink Monster's out. Yeah, the Strawberry Dreams is back in action. Chat, we're locked in, man. I'm telling you, I'm Mr. Locked right now. Although I kind of do have a headache, I can't lie. I need a paracetamol or some shit. When you fight a Mr. Mochi, I don't know, bro. He needs to sign the contract. Bro's running scared. He won't sign the contract. I don't get it. 48, bro couldn't live in Dubai. Bro, what do you mean? It's hotter than Dubai here sometimes. Like 48, I don't know if it gets to 48 in Dubai. I mean, yeah, I guess it does, 50. But still, 48 is pretty much the same as 50. Oh no, this is the highest temperature ever recorded. 50 degrees is fucked. That is crazy. But 48 was very hot, like way too hot. Sign the contract, big boy. Trent, how was your UK experience? It was alright actually. Saw some friends. Did a lot of work, to be honest. The UK is washed. To be truly honest, the UK is very whack right now. It used to be my favorite country on the planet. And actually, going back to the UK, I did realize that if they fix all the issues, right, it will still be the best planet in the country. Best planet in the country? Best country on the planet. Holy shit. It literally will be. Did you go to Leicester? No, bro. But I used to go to uni in Leicester. That's where me and Tom went to uni. Leicester's my stomping ground, man. I know that place like the back of my hand. I spent three years there. But yeah, the UK is sick in terms of like what it has, the infrastructure, like actually just the aesthetics of the place. I do like it, but yeah, man, it's just not there politically right now and economically. What was the club you were talking about in Leicester? Mosh. There was two clubs when I was at uni that were like the main ones. You had Mosh and Republic. Republic was like a mega club, bro. It's like nothing I've ever seen before. It's like the size of like 10 football fields. Trent, you gonna be live on FOMC? Maybe, chat. What do you think? Should I live stream FOMC? Chat, I can't lie. I was looking at sells earlier, but selling against this bias right now is very difficult. But this Sky Dweller play was extremely valid in my opinion. We are failing to push back up here, chat. You got 7 minutes to the hourly close. I don't want us to reject here, because if you reject and start to range, it's going to be a very, very long day. So hopefully that doesn't happen. But chat, look, 50 of you in here right now, only 12 likes. You guys are getting a serious beating if you don't press that like button right the fuck now. I'm serious, man. I'm going to start punching you all through the screen. You've heard of kiss me through the phone. Now you're going to get punch me through the screen. I took the Sky Dollar Play SG and took 25 pips. Good shit, man. Good shit. Congrats. Fight me. What's good, Jay? What's good, Game Minado as well? Fight me is crazy. FOMC Live will be a great idea. The full port of dreams, right? I might just buy like 3 or 4 Apex accounts and just full port. Chat, what about $1 billion? What about it, huh? Anyone want it? Bro. I'm not even going to read out your messages anymore. I dare you to swing. Swing first. Swing first. Yeah, my voice is going. Chat, it was another 4 a.m. night last night. I can't believe it, bro. What's up, G? You always have a like off me. Let's make some squids today. What's good, DJ, man? Welcome back. Some squids wouldn't hurt, man. I'd like a few squids. Let me load up Ninja Trader, actually. I think I'm going to trade the PAs today, chat. Bearing in mind, we now got 400k on Apex. We got 150k Trader 5. 1% today is going to equate to a nice little 5.5 smackaroons. That's a lot of smackaroons, man, if you think about it. Are we going lower? What's good, Ricks? I don't know, man. Chat, remember, traders do not try and predict the market. They react to what happens, right? That's all we do. If we go low, we go lower. It's possible, especially with this wick we're grabbing here on the hourly. But I'm never one to predict shit. I'm not predicting FOMC. I'm not predicting shit, man. I just wait for it to do stuff and then jump on the wave. Very, very simple, but that's how I made all of my money trading, right? Just wait for it to do some shit, see what it does, jump on the wave, make some breads, and then jump off the wave. It's easy as that. Like, you don't have to overcomplicate it at all. A couple of squids here and there, chat. Happy as Larry. Ninja trader loading. I'm gonna hack Pal's laptop. Smart. Who's Larry? I don't know. But he's happy, man. Whoa. Whoa. Mr. Ninja. Okay. Here we are. Here we blood clot are, chat. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 accounts. Bombarous. It's going to be an exciting one, chat, today. I can't lie. Wait, why is this one? Oh, I didn't activate the other one. Blood. Apex Trader funding. Full port them. Imagine you hit a full port on like 550k funding and it played out. Make a nice little 10% or something, 50 bandarunos. That'd be nice, I can't lie, but it's irresponsible. The Jamaican words are killing me. My bad. We love a good. I can't lie, I love the Jamaican Caribbean culture, whatever. Obviously, I'm the whitest boy on the planet, but every now and then I'll bust out a bomber clot here and there. What's the 6 bomber clot eggs? That's one of my favorite videos ever. No, 6 bomber ras clot pussy clot eggs. Me can't feed you, Leroy. I love that shit. Oh man, where's Rastafari been? That's true actually. Where's he been? Bro, that guy's definitely white as fuck as well. Oh, chat. I missed you guys, man. I missed you guys when I was away. Ever been to Jamaica? No, bro. I had some Bayesian friends when I was growing up. But nah, I've never been. The Jamaican words are out of many, one people. If you love, we accept you, bro. Yeah, of course, man. That's what I've like, bro. You know the like this whole thing about cultural appropriation and shit recently. I never understood that shit because if it's all love, then what's the problem with someone appropriating some like trying to get involved in your culture, like not your culture but a culture in general? You know what I mean? If someone's trying to adapt to English culture and it's all love and they're like using English slang and stuff, I'm not gonna be pissed off. If someone's using, I don't know, Jamaican slang, if it's all love, I feel like it comes from a good place, a good heart, then what's the problem with it, right? Obviously, I'm only saying it as a joke, right? But you get the point. Let me activate this next Apex account whilst I'm sat here waiting. No one owns a culture. Anyone should say what they feel. This is true. What's good, Quiet Impacts? Welcome to the stream, my bro. No, yeah, we all love reggae. Bro, yeah, a little bit of Bob Marley here and there. Can't lie. Does hit. Oh my days, bro. Chat, I spent like over $1,000 yesterday in activation fees. Are you taking the piss? Luckily, though, one trade will make it back, but it kind of hurt coming out the bank. Not really hurt, but it's just that I don't like spending money, chat. I like making money. I don't like spending it, but unfortunately, you do have to spend money to make it, you know? It's one of them ones, chat. What's good, Raze? Welcome back, my boy. Time to make some bread, yeah? It's going to be a good one today, chat. I'm super excited. Remember, like, it's pre-FOMC as well, so we got to be a little bit careful, but the setup forms, you know I'm taking it. Pushing back down here, chat. Hourly closes in 1 minute. I don't want it to close bearish, but please give some ideas and advice about alpha whilst waiting. What do you mean, like alpha capital or what? Market's been weird today. A little bit. A little bit. S to the G, what's good, Zulu? Welcome back, my bro. What advice do you want about Alpha? Alpha Capital, man. Oh, I wish fucking Apex took Amex. I'd have so many points by now, bro. Or so many more points. ACG, bro, just jump in a trade when you get a setup and let it run till your TP and then do that over and over and over and you're good. Very simply, right? All right, that's one evaluation, or the final evaluation that I had paid for and activated. So now that should pop up on the old Ninja Trader. Accidental hard R on the Ninja Trader there, but forgive me. Yeah, chat, listen. FOMC tonight is gonna, Peterbot is crazy work. SG bot, nah. What's Ninja Trader? It's like a futures trading platform, right? But you have to be like super stealthy to trade with it. You have to wear like a little, and you have to just creep around at night with a samurai sword. Oh, that's samurais. I think they're different. Nah, basically it's just a platform you can trade on. It's pretty nice. I like it, to be honest. Let me reset my connection here on Ninja Trader. I think I just have to log out and log back in. Longs are looking like the play. I agree, to be honest, bro. But I think we might need more liquidity to be swept here. You did sweep Asian lows, though, interestingly. Do I have the final? Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's not enough. Where's my final PA, man? 1, 2. Refresh the thing. What are you talking about? What do you mean, what am I talking about, chat? What's up, dog? Up 11.45 R this week. I'm done for the week. Holy RR, bro. That's kind of crazy. 11.5 RR is a lot. Chat, listen, drop a like on the stream if you haven't already. It really does help out. By the way, I was saying this to someone the other day. You can trade negative RR and still be up in risk to reward for the week, right? And this is what people don't understand, bro. You know when people say about like negative RR doesn't work? You know, as long as you're making a return on your risk to reward throughout like a couple of months, then you're all good. Let's say your average trade risk to reward is 0.5 RR, right? If you have 8 winning trades in a week without a loss, you're now up 4R, which is like, oh, so now I'm basically a positive RR trader, right? But I'm just taking more trades. And then let's say you took like what 8 trades, even with 1 loss, right? So you take like 8 wins, 1 L. You'd still be up 3R for the week, which is fucking incredible, right? So just remember, chat, trading can be profitable in any way. You don't have to trade a specific way that someone told you. Just because ICT says a certain thing, just because whoever the fuck you follow says one thing, it doesn't make a difference, right? My average RR on props, well, on evaluations, it's actually 2 to 1, but on props, it's like, and on my live account, it's been like 0.5, bro, and I make pretty fucking good money, chat, to say the least. You can do both. Both work. I agree, SG. Bet just because you're smart, man. You ever use Tasty Trade? No, I've never even heard of that, bro. What is Tasty Trade? Is it tasty? Not sure about that one. Chat, we're pushing back up here, though. This is good. This is very nice here. If we can get like a nice little closure above 0.5, sorry, 0.7, we're going to be in there like swimwear, right? That's what we're going to be looking for. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, yes. Get me involved, chat. We've got all the accounts loaded right now. Good stuff. Looking at buys? Yeah, we'll be after a closure above, definitely. Chat, I've been thinking about the best way to get past the buffer on Apex, right? Do you just go super aggressive on your first trade and then not worry about consistency? Or do you just trade it conservatively? What's your favorite monster? Bro, I hate to say like I have a favorite monster, but I think it's this one, the strawberry one. I'm not one of those guys. I don't love Monster. I purely drink it for the caffeine. I don't really think about the taste, but bro, because you know, like the reputation behind Monster at school was all the emos drank it, right? But in my opinion, now it's the best energy drink for caffeine, price, like taste, etc. So fuck it. But yeah, probably the strawberry one. Books. Bro just said books. Okay, I have 3 buy stop positions. Oh, sorry, I have 3 buy positions from early this morning. Stops at 36.59.82 on FX. Yeah, that's a valid stop. I'd probably put it just below the low though, like a little bit further in case it sweeps, but that's the most valid stop that you have right now. Easy position a bit. That's what I'm saying, chat. That's what I'm saying. I think we're looking good here. Check how many holes are in the walls after every in this guy's walls after every monster. No holes in the wall. Funny, like, not funny story, but I've actually never punched a hole in the wall. I've never seen the benefit in that. You get angry and you punch a hole in the wall, and then now you've got a fucking broken fist and you're still angry. Hilarious. Chat. I posted a video yesterday on Instagram, by the way, which you guys should go watch if you haven't already. It's going to tell you very quickly how to get $1 million funding, because it's actually super easy if you do it properly. My uni housemate used to shoot arrows in his wall. That's crazy. Yeah, go watch this video here. It's actually very, very informative, very valuable. And then also the YouTube video that's coming out this afternoon, right, is going to be extremely valuable as well. Do not miss it. It's actually a really short one compared to my most recent ones, which have been like 30 minutes minimum. I think this one's literally a 9-minute long video, but jam-packed with value. It's balanced, bro. I've tried both, and the small bets were more consistent, but I think having a large buffer in at the start helps you a lot because you'll be willing to lose the account. Yeah, I'm just trying to figure out how to get past the apex buffer, or like the best way to do it. Thanks, stops adjusted in case they sweep. Good stuff. Yeah, sometimes it can come and sweep these lows and then pop back up, and you're only risking like 2 or 3 more pips, so it's not necessarily a bad thing. Yo, I need to get some sunlight. I can't lie. Recently, I've just been like, bro, everyone always asks me like what it's like living in Cyprus and everything. Bro, I spend 90% of my time either indoors or at the gym. Like recently, the past few days, me and Tom have literally just woken up because we've been going to sleep at like 3, 4 a.m., right? We wake up at like 12 o'clock, do a little bit of work in the morning. I jump on stream. We go to the gym. We get back, eat food quickly, and then work. And that is literally it all day. No sunlight. Nothing. So I think this weekend maybe I'll hit the beach. Have to get a haircut as well. I don't know, man. I don't know. But chat, anyway, we're pushing up. This is the problem, right? Like, I think I made a TikTok about this as well. Bro, everyone's always talking about like moving to a foreign country or moving to wherever, right? Bro, like, when you get enough money to move to Dubai or to move to Cyprus or to move to your dream country, you're going to be working so much, you're not even going to be able to appreciate it, right? Don't tell me you're a walk-in trim guy. No, bro, my barber does not do walk-ins, unfortunately. Have to ring him up and then be like, yo, have you got a slot? And he's like, yeah, I might have a slot like in like a week's time. But if you try and book on the app, like to get a trim with him, bro, like, wait, let me show you this. I'll try and book a haircut like without, because thankfully, you know, I've got like a, well, you have to make friends with your barbers, chat. Like, it's just the rule, right? You have to get their phone number and everything like that. So I just shoot my guy a WhatsApp and I get a trim. But let me try and book a haircut here, right? Hang on. Book again, right? Continue. Let's go to click the next available date. Next available date, chat, is October the 8th. So you're telling me I'd have to wait like a month for a trim, basically? It's not happening. Oh, product architect, bro. I cannot read that message for shit. I have a Dale walk shelving into my dad. You should try it. What does that mean, bro? Not the stelding. Not a Dale walk stelding, bro. I don't know what that is, but it sounds interesting, to say the least. Chat, 70 people in the stream right now. Listen, we're getting close to a position. Drop a like if you haven't already. Waiting for these buys above the level here. Little stop loss below the range. TP will probably be these. Could even be the daily flip, to be honest. Had a stroke reading it. I know, trust me, I've just had a seizure. With mine, I aim for 1-to-1, so they can't get me with a 30% consistency. So far, my 3 wins all... Ooh, crazy. Betch, wait, so you're in profit on the Apexes? On like a PA or what? You can take a payout then if you're at 3K. Having a stroke while reading is crazy. Yeah, Jar, that's pretty crazy to be fair. Probably save that till after stream. Is that SG? Is that you? Yeah, what's good, Silent? How's it going, brother? Holy chat. A lot of potential forming here right now. We have a 15-minute close. Ah, bro, my chest. I have DOMs. I actually have crazy muscle soreness right now. 15 might close above here, chat, very shortly. Bro, my shoulders on my chest. It's meant to be shoulder day. I'm gonna have to piss Tom off and tell him we're training legs today. It's gonna have to be a leg day. Thomas, we're training legs today. He's just screamed no. We are. He's not happy. Are you really taking these buys? If it closes above, then yes, we'll look at a position, right? Chat, I'll tell you guys when I enter the same as always.
No.
We are training legs today.
No, we're not. Unless it's a split off.
Right, listen. Hear me out. Oh my days. Bro's shirtless on stream. And he's getting the back out as well. That's insane. Bro's just bent over for the stream. Devious work. So hear me out, right? The gym's closed on Sunday. Today's Wednesday. We've already done push and pull for Monday, Tuesday. We do legs today, and then we go back, push, pull, legs again. And that'll be Saturday, and then rest day Sunday, whilst the gym's closed.
But then what are we going to do on...
6-day split. Push, pull, legs, push, pull, legs. But on tomorrow's push day, we'll do shoulders and chest only. We'll do a shoulder-focused push day, and then a tricep-focused push day.
What are we going to do on Friday?
Ow.
What are we going to do on Friday?
Well, tomorrow is Wednesday. We'll do pull on Friday.
No, today is Wednesday.
Yeah, today's Wednesday, so we'll do legs. Tomorrow's Thursday, chest. Friday, legs. Friday, back. Back and bi-skis.
Oh, but then we skip shoulder.
No, we'll do a shoulder-focused chest day tomorrow, you fucking idiot.
Oh, boo. Shoulder-focused chest days.
That's the best. Bro, you get a crazy pump. You just do like some bench. Bro, this guy lifts like a science-based lifter. He's literally there like the optimum amount of reps and sets is actually extremely low. I'm there, I just come in, I do some bench press, really fucking heavy. I do some lateral raises because it makes your shoulders big. And I stare in the mirror for about 2 hours, and that's the workout done. Simple.
You've never kept it lemon in your life.
I'm keeping it lemon every single day. I've never seen a gym conversation require so much detailed planning. No, it's because this guy cries every time you want to train legs. He's like, that's a wasted chest day.
Legs is work.
No. Chat, 15-minute might be closing above. What do you know about lemon from Mr. Mochi?
That'd be a good video.
Mr. Mochi, that would be a good video, you know.
Keeping it lemon.
Tom, take it off. You've been told. Hey, Green, what's good, brother? What's going on over there? I don't even know, bro. I don't even know. Honestly. Man measures the angles. Actually, 0.3 degrees off. Yeah. Trust me.
Mr. Mochi saying say nothing. It just doesn't really, it don't really fit.
This guy uses the 0.125 plates at the gym to get optimal. What's it called?
No, I do not.
What's that thing called? What's the thing you're meant to do at the gym when you increase your weights over time? Progressive overload. I just go lift some heavy shit and see what happens. You're like what's that guy?
Jeff Nippert.
Jeff Nippert.
Yeah, but he's jacked, to be fair.
Nah, not as big as me.
He's also I think he's 5'6".
If you're small, that's actually the biggest gym cheat code in the world. Chat, wait, 15-minute closing here. Give me a sec. 30 seconds. He's gone again. That's why I'm speechless. I'm actually speechless. All right, chat. If it closes above, we can have a nice little position. The problem is the owl has got no bottom wick, which makes it very, very difficile. Vraiment difficile, right? It's also going to close respecting the level, which is also not good. It's a very strong rejection area here from 37.05. So I need it to close above that, to be truly honest, chat. Oh, chat, we're in drawdown right now in this pretend position. That's going to bring in hella viewers. Yeah, see, look, it even closed respecting the most recent high, chat. So you haven't even broken structure here. SG, why do we need bottom and top wicks? That's a very good question, Silent. We need bottom and top wicks on the chart because they are the liquidity, the lower time frame, immediate liquidity. When you close above a level, if you make a bottom wick on that candle and flip, there's a massively reduced chance that it reverses back on you and continues back against your direction, right? So when you get a closure above a level, all you have to do is wait for that bottom wick, which inevitably is going to be on the lower time frames, what is a higher low. And then once that candle flips, you're re-breaking that high, confirming the bullish structure, and then taking a continuation up. Understanding that, you know, price is fractal. A bottom wick on the hourly time frame might just be this market structure on the 1 minute or the 5 minute, etc. So it's an easy way to simplify grabbing liquidity. This guy's the KDB of clip farming. He actually is. Uh-oh, chat, the monster's finished. What does that mean? Have you got...
They've not seen the KDB edits, so...
Yeah, chat, someone make a silent KDB edit. I rock like pebble. That little tune. Can I? Can you what, Mr. Mochi? You can't do anything, actually. You're not allowed to do anything, Mr. Mochi. You're banned. Mr. Eugene. Eugene's not here, Reyes. I don't know where he's at, bro. Mr. Mochi's here, but I think they're different people. I'm not sure, though. Have you got a white monster you can lend me?
I finished it last night.
You finished your own white monster? That's crazy. Hey, yo. Yeah, chat, I don't know what's happened to this stream recently. I can't lie. Oh, I need to set up the trade copier. Wait. Chat, for those of you who want to know how to copy trades on Apex, or on any futures prop actually, here's a little tutorial. Actually, wait. Let me record this. So, for those of you who want to learn how to copy trades using NinjaTrader on any futures prop, you can see here I have 10 futures accounts which are passed. And if I wanted to copy them, first of all, you have to go and get a trade copier. I use the Apex trade copier because it's the cheapest and you can use it across any prop firm. And then you go to like new here, open the Apex copier tab very simply. That opens up a new window and you can see right here, all you have to do is set your leader account, which is going to be for me this one. And then you go ahead and just choose all of the accounts that you want to be trading on, which is all of them. So you click on for there and then you can change the size, right? So because my leader account is a 150k account, if I wanted to trade on a 50k account, which is the rest of these, all you have to do is just reduce the size by 3 times. So 0.33. And you do that over and over and it's going to execute like a third of the position size. Obviously, if you have counts that are bigger, you could do like 2x. Very simple, but that is how you use it. Oh my days, Mr. Farmer over here. Call me Kia Farmer. Surely, that's surely hard. That was surely great wordplay there. Mr. Mochi and Mr. Eugene is like Jekyll and Hyde. Isn't it Jekyll and Hyde? But yeah, you're right. Or the Green Goblin. No, who's the Two-Face from Batman? Holy moly, man. Chat, by the way, most streamers will never show you their PA numbers because people like Patrick Wheeland, etc., they'll be on like PA number 10,000 or whatever because they've literally fucking failed so many of ours. I'm literally on my 16th to 23rd, right? Which is not bad when you think about it because I had 12 before. So that's basically one cycle of failed avowals and now I'm on my second cycle. But yeah, That's another thing you need to think about, right? Most people aren't going to show you that. Oh, you have to click MGC. Fuck, I didn't say that as well. But yeah, you have to do that. Cycle. Whoa. Harvey Dent, aka Two-Face. Yeah, I haven't seen the Batman film, so don't spoil it, alright? I've never watched any of them shits. Not really a Superman, superhero guy. What?
This guy's not talented. Bro, they've been out for years now.
Batman dies. It's crazy from Rays.
I am literally Batman.
No, we've discussed this in the previous vlog, right? Like, chat, the crime rate in Limassol dropped significantly after I moved here. Like, there's a masked marauder in Limassol, and no one knows who it is, but there's a direct correlation from when I bought my Range Rover and came to Limassol to the crime rate dropping. So I'm going to expose it right here, right now. I am... what do they call him? The no, not the... Well, they call him that as well, but...
Defender of Gotham.
Shut up. They're scared of TRLS? Yeah, trust me. No, I just am Batman. How does one become Batman? That's clip farming from you, Silent A. How does one become Batman? I don't know. Get shredded and get bread. And then buy a blacked out fucking whip. And that's it. Blacked out like a phantom. Yeah, man. Great advice. I don't know. Thank you, Silent. Thank you, bro. SG, how do you tell when there's a change of character? Well, this is a very good example because right now we are experiencing a change in market structure, a change of character. It's all the same thing but repurposed. You basically have a push down like this, and then you have some form of consolidation, right? And you have like lower lows and lower highs which are being made. But now, you can see quite clearly here, we actually just made a higher low, which is step number 1 in making a change of market structure, but we haven't shifted market structure yet. Until you get a confirmed closure above this previous high here. And then you have step 1, the initial higher high being made, or the higher low, then the higher high, and that is essentially your confirmation you have a change in market structure. All you need to do is wait for this low to be made, try and get an entry here, take it up towards the highs, and that is how you understand change in market structure. Vanta Black M5 will do it. You know what? I was thinking about wrapping my Range Rover, but I think that might be a bit too much. Genuinely, I think next car, I keep flipping between a couple of cars, right? But a matte black Porsche would be crazy, like a Turbo S in matte black, or some shit like this. Oh my days, bro. Or I would honestly get the same car I had in the UK. CLA 45S. Matte black. Oh my days, bro. Just look at how gorgeous that shit is. That car would blow up in the heat you're in? Nah, I don't think so, because I have covered parking and everything. And my car currently is black now. So, yeah, maybe. But also, it'd be worth it, Rays, because it'd look fucking gangster. Chat, 7 minutes till the 30 close. You just had comics open as well, like a couple of minutes ago. If we close above here on the 30, I think we're going to look at taking a position here. Buy the Cadillac. Nah. Otherwise, I get like a matte black G-Wagon. I think a matte black G-Wagon is fucking hard. Like, the other day I saw a matte black Brabus G-Wagon. Bro, that shit looked stupid. This, bro, this is like... Wait. I just had one. This is the goal, I think. Look at that shit.
Yeah, well, nice.
Holy, I have a Golf R matte black now. Silent, that's actually sick. Absolute ragsmobile. Proper Rami car, bro. My neighbor's got that. No way. That's crazy. Chat, listen, 70 people in here, man. Make sure you drop a like on the stream. Let's get to like 50 likes already if you haven't already clicked the button. I think we're close to getting a position here. Give us like 6 minutes and we should be good to go. Holy. Especially if we close like this, chat. It's going to be a really nice change in character. Changing character? I don't even use that term. It's just because Silence said it. Market structure shift. whatever, change your market structure, chat. Every single terminology that that is being used, it's just the same shit, right? Different name. My balls? What do you mean by that, huh? What do you mean by that? Chat, by the way, if you have any questions about trading, how to learn to trade, whatever you want to ask, now's the time to do it, right? We've got 5 minutes till this closure. All I need is a 30-minute close above the level, and then a bottom wick. And it's easy. How long after you became profitable did you buy those cars? It takes some time, right? This is the thing that people don't understand about trading. There's varying scales of profitability. It's not just you're profitable next minute you're buying a Lambo or whatever. For me, I became profitable, and then genuinely like 12, 15 months later, I was able to buy my AMG, and then I was able to buy my Range Rover like a couple of months after that, right? It's not just like profitable and then bang. You have to learn to become profitable first, then learn how to actually scale trading. Becoming profitable and scaling accounts and like trading at genuine size is a completely different skill from one another. So you have to learn how to do both of them. Otherwise, you're cooked. SG, do you trade any other pairs or do you just focus on gold? This guy's helping me clip farm too now, eh? Yeah, I do just trade gold. I genuinely think having one pair or two pairs maximum that you're trading is going to help you way more than anything else, right? Because you're focused on how each individual pair that you're trading is moving. I use this example every single time, but because I only trade gold, if you ask me right now to close my eyes and draw out the structure of gold on the daily time frame, the 4-hour time frame, the 1-hour time frame, I genuinely could do it because I'm so used to looking at gold price action. I'm so used to analyzing just gold that it becomes imprinted in your brain. I know how gold moves. I know when it moves. I know everything to do with that pair. And becoming a master of just one instrument is way better than being average at trading lots. Holy farm. There's no bottom wick on this 30 mins. I know, but if it closes, then that's okay. There's technically no bottom wick on the hourly, but I think a 30-minute closure is going to be good enough, especially with the market structure shift, especially with the fact we swept Asian lows. There's a lot of things here. You got clean traffic up towards 14.9. Loads of shit. I'll be back in one sec, chat. Bro just awkwardly sat in the back.
Yeah, I'm locked in right now.
I thought this guy was going to entertain the stream, but nah, he just sat there. Hundreds of YouTube and Instagram reels are being printed right now with these clips. Hundreds of thousands. Chat, if you are interested in earning money by making clips, I am hiring clippers still. We have a decent team pumping out content every single day, right? And you can join them, make some good money alongside your trading, right? If you want to do that, just give me a DM and I'll get you onboarded. If you're good enough. Or actually, if you're new as well, we have a course on how to teach you for free on how to edit the clips. All right, chat. Want to hire me and we can develop an app? Something's fishy about this app, Bedge. I don't know. You should do kick streaming. You should just shut your mouth, Mr. Mochi. Honestly, at this point, I don't even want to hear from you. All right? In fact, get out of here. Scram. Be gone. Is the saying true that once you get your first payouts, there's a compounding effect and that you know what you need to do? Yeah, 100%. How do I DM you? You can DM me on Instagram. You can DM me on Discord. IG is probably going to be the best, to be truly honest. How much do you pay your clippers? Shoot me a DM and I'll tell you. We pay a very competitive rate. Chat, 56 seconds though. Let's lock it in here. Focus up, man. Oh shit, I need to log into the broker. So chat, right now we have a very clean setup printing, right? We have a closure above the range on the 30-minute. Market structure shift here as well after sweeping Asian lows. Looking at taking a position, if you can grab a bottom wick on the 30-minute here as you open up. It needs to open up with a bottom wick for the reason that otherwise this could be liquidity for the 1 hour to flip, because the 1 hour currently still has no bottom wick, right? So genuinely need that bottom wick right now, otherwise I can't take the position. But let's see what happens, chat. You got 17 seconds. Is it even going to close above the level, right? Reason I have a level here is it's a very strong area here on the hourly time frame. So let's see, chat. 7 seconds. Oh my days. All right, you did close above actually. All right, coming down to make a bottom wick here. If we can just pop down a little bit further, I think that's going to be good. How big is this? 6, 7 pips? 6, 7. Should be decent here, chat, actually. Yeah, chat, I'm going to take a buy here as this candle flips right now. So just going buys right now.
Orders.
Okay, I got a terrible fill. Holy shit. But got in buys right now. So let's see what happens with this one, chat. Stops are going to be below the level down here. TP is going to be up towards the high. 17 cons. I think that's way too little. 138 is crazy. That's what Tom had before, eh?
Yeah, don't enter into that.
That's pretty good, actually, in terms of cons. Why did it just log me out of the broker? That's kind of mad. Can we fill the range here, chat? Realistically, I think you should fill up towards at least 714 here. I got a really bad fill on that though. That's kind of annoying. Like, because it took age. I don't know why the order just lagged. The order should have been right here, but.
Did you take it on trading view or?
No, Ninja Trader, but it just lagged. Look at 2 hour chart. I know, yeah, 2 hour chart's not the best, but the 4 hour looks quite good. That's unfortunate about that fill, you know.
What fill did you go?
Like 707.2. It's fucking high up there.
Wait, did you take it on futures or?
Yeah.
707?
Let me put, wait, let me put a. How do I put this in? Wait.
Order submitted.
All right, TP and SL are now in, which is good. You obviously need to do that, chat, every time. Hopefully this can play up. Hopefully this can play out, chat. Let's see. Whoa. In fact, actually, I can't even put my TP that high, can I? Because consistency score. All right, TP's gonna have to be here. All right, 5 minute closing in a couple of minutes here, chat. One of the things that happens in trading is exactly that, right, chat? We didn't get the... You just set the max daily profit trigger in TradeAway, for fuck's sake, man. Yeah, you might be right, Jar, but I'm not going to do that right now. One of the things that sometimes happens, chat, is exactly that, right? We got a terrible fill on this trade. In fact, we would have been up, like, very decent money here. We would have been up, like, 12 pips on that. Maybe we would have even gone break even, right? But because we didn't get the fill that I wanted, makes it very difficult for us to do that. SG, do those rules in the PA accounts apply to Innovals? No, they don't. Not with Apex. All right, basically, chat, what you want to see here is just obviously a re-break of the highs, followed by some good closures on the 5 minute. If it starts to close whack like this, we can look at managing. For right now, we should be good. Like, there's nothing really going wrong here. Seeing a tiny bit of drawdown. If the 15 closes bearish like it's looking like here, when we can take a manage 100%. Does Go Fund a Trader have consistency? No. The position does look good. I think it looks good. We might need to come down and grab some more liquidity, right? But realistically, that's not a problem. If we want to do that, then we want to do it, right? But otherwise, I think you should fill up here. You've got a lot of clean traffic here. Every time you close above this level, you do fill it at least up towards like 715 here. Can we re-rate the highs and see a pop here, chat? That'd be so nice. I'm watching this on my other monitor as well, just because I think trading views can be a little bit delayed. Now, once you re-break this high, chat, you should see a pop here. How did the 5 close? 5 closed okay, relatively weak. If you got a good fill on this, you might... Let's look at the 1 minute. Volume's kind of died off a little bit, which is interesting. Which funded program are you with, brother? I'm trading with Apex, Top Step, Traderify, Go Funded Trader, ACG, and quite a few. But the ones I recommend the most are Apex and ACG, to be truly honest. Chat, what do you think about the position, huh? Let me know. If you think it's going to hit TP, put a 1 in chat. If you think it's going to hit SL, put a 2. Whoever puts 2 is getting immediately banned.
Yeah. You already know there's going to be the funny guys putting 3.
Couple of 1s here. Lovely stuff. See how this one goes. Chat. 1, we rebuke any negative energy. Yeah, that's facts, actually. Praying is a 1 for you? There's no hope in praying, bro. I appreciate the good sentiment, but... if it plays out, it plays out, man. If it doesn't, it doesn't. We heard what you said, Tom. To Tom SG. Yeah, I know. That was the joke. Can't copy trade on ACG anymore, can you? Yeah, you just have to give them warning. Like, you have to email them and kind of ask permission like a little good boy, but... What if you're a bad boy, grr? Crazy, Jay. Chat, what is this consolidation here? This is kind of mad. Volume just died off. You in this?
No, but well, yeah, no.
Were you in one earlier?
Sort of.
All right. Market structures Bullerinho here though, chat, which is good. Especially on the 1 minute, we're looking good. It's just consolidating a little bit. We did break out, right? So realistically, there's no reason you shouldn't fill up. 5 minutes. Yeah, I'm in this. You can see here.
What do you think about the 2 previous 15? Oh, wait, no, minus 12 now.
All right, broke the highs here, chat. If we got a good fill here, you could be like, you'd be massively in profit, right? And then you could be risk-free by now. What are we up here?
I like it though.
All right, chat. This is now going to be a risk-free position, right? I'm bringing my stop loss to break even here on this one, which is Fire. W's on that one, chat. It's always good to be risk-free. The reason I'm risk-free as well is because we didn't get the best fill, right? So if this wants to reverse, it could eat you, right? But I think we should be good here, chat. I think we should be good nonetheless. Currently $200 up, chat. Across the other accounts as well are still running. Hopefully this just sees a nice little strong pop here. Oh, there you go. That's exactly what we're looking at, chat. We are currently, how far? 26 pips in profit, chat. If you want to take that and run, you can. Otherwise, I think I'm going to let this one run, to be honest. I'm going to see if we can let this one run, depending on how this 5 closes. If it closes no top wick, chat, I'm going to be closing as a minimum like 50% of the position. Yeah, chat, so I just closed half here on that position. Closed half right now.
Can I ask you a question?
One second. Let me manage this trade. All right, chat. W's on that. So we just secured at 26 pips. And the rest can run until wherever, right? I took 52. Had a slightly better entry. Yeah, Jar, honestly, the fill we got was terrible. I clicked enter here, and it filled us here. But it is what it is. Sometimes in life, if it stops this break even and runs, though, I am going to be a little bit pissed. What's the question?
Hey, go on the 15-minute. Like, cast your mind back to when you were going into the trade.
Yeah.
Like, why is this not an issue? If that makes sense, like the 2 peaks.
Yeah, the 30 like negates that, right? Because the 30-minute is the higher time frame, and it closed above breaking the structure. Right. So if it was if the 30 looked the same, then yeah, obviously. But if you look to the past, every single time you close above this range, you fill up towards like this high here.
Okay, so we're using price action mirrors then.
Yeah, price action mirrors, market structure, and also like a time frame hierarchy, right? Like the 30, the confluence on the 30 negates. Look how high the 30 closed. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, and it's an engulfing candle as well, which is like a big thing. All right, chat. Let's see.
That's the only thing that's confused about.
Nice. Chat, if this 5 flips, you should be good to run. Hopefully we can survive this shit. Hopefully, bro. The broker lag and the fill, it's kind of pissing me off, but I know, like, whatever, you shouldn't be thinking that way. Oh, let me change the sell limit as well. That's not going to be good if that hits. But also just push it towards the higher, right? Because if this runs, it can run all the way up. That boy teaching? Yeah, chat, that was a little... This is what I mean, right? If you guys want to ask questions just like Tom did there, you're completely valid to do so, right? Chat, we're currently sat 30 pips in profit here. Oh, we can add this to the stream record already. Chat, what am I telling you, man? Chat, we actually kill it. First trade in a while, and look at that. Spam some dubs in the chat if you haven't already. Absolute killer trade. And make sure you drop a like on the stream too. You better drop a like, otherwise I'm going to start scrapping you. What a well-executed trade. Like, genuinely, such a patient trade. That's our 89th win on stream, chat. We're getting close to that hundo. Gold buys. At the minute, we secured plus 30, I believe, or plus 25, whatever it was. Yeah, 25. Still in this one, though, chat. I got 50% of the position running here. Just under 50%, actually, but semantics. Feels good to be back copy trading PAs, chat. It feels good. I missed this shit a lot, to be honest. When I blew those first round of Apexes, I missed the copy trading, but now we're back, ready, locked in. I'm hoping this can run towards the highs, to be honest. Because if you can do that right, what are we looking at here? Yeah, not bad, not bad, not bad, not bad. I think we let this one run. Because if the daily flips as well, or the daily wants to like come and flip here, coming into the end of the session, should be good. Re-breaking the highs here. The only problem I see is if it wants to pull back and break and like make a bit of market structure here, you might not survive because of the, or I might not survive. You guys might because of the entry, but I got such a delayed entry, unfortunately. W, bro. Yeah, good shit, chat. Good luck with the trade. No set for me. See you tomorrow. All right, Mighty. Meet in a bit, my friend. I've got a haircut at 5, by the way. We need to go to.
What's straight away?
At 5.
Right. Oh, man, when are we going to go do that?
After.
Pretty good call, though.
Chat, who took this and what'd you get? At close fill, I can't leave runners on my phone on MT5. You can. I can show you how to do it if you want. Chat, wait, 5-minute closing here and 15-minute actually. I think of this up 500. Good shit, Tom. All right, chat, that's a good 15 close. I can't lie. That's a good 15 close. What do we see here? 38 pips. Yeah, if you guys entered when I actually entered and didn't get broker lag, you would have seen, yeah, like 50 pips, which is pretty crazy actually. Can you do a trade recap on why you took this trade? Yeah, very simply, we had an extended push down, right, into a strong area of rejection. The daily time frame and the 4-hour time frame are both still bullish. Right, daily time frame previously closed bullish. This current daily was just a bottom wick, so we're anticipating that being liquidity. And then basically you have a 30-minute period of consolidation. So in fact, chat, the YouTube video I'm dropping today is going to explain exactly why I took this trade. But you have consolidation, you swept Asian lows and then rejected. Then you broke market structure, chat. Coming down here, you're making lower lows, lower highs. Then you make a higher low, and then you made a higher high here. Chat, in fact, 30 minutes ago on stream, I said exactly what we were looking for here. Then you made the next higher low here, and we took the position based off of that. Got a bit of lag on the entry, but there you are. And then we're taking it to run up like exactly like that. Exactly like I planned out earlier at the start of the stream, right? Very, very simple here. Sort of hovering around here, chat. Can we see a break of the highs? Yes, we did. So this you should see this run here, to be honest. I'm gonna go ahead and close full on this position right now. Close full there at 47 pips right now. Chat, absolute dubs on that trade.
Order filled.
Order filled, exactly. Exactly right. Chat, copy traded that across 10 accounts right now, or 9, I believe. You have 500 plus 1,500. That's a $2,000 trade right there, chat. Congratulations if you took it. W's all round in the chat. Order build, man. Love it. This could run, to be honest, but with the way that I actually got a delayed entry, I'm thinking if we decide to make a higher low, you're going to go ahead and actually end up getting stopped out with that. So I'd rather just take my profit. If you got a better entry, trust me, I'd be holding this all blood clot day. But genuinely, especially for the first trade on these PAs, I'm happy taking that all day. So chat, that's going to be it from me. That's not going to be it from me, but that was it for the trade. That's the final trade of this stream. Absolutely banger position. Put some dubs in the chat. A little bit of hype for that is done and dusted. Absolutely fucking killer, man. Holy shit. Yeah, chat. Cannot complain, right? Literally cannot complain. It might run, but again, we're not trying to catch the entire move. So let me just change the stream record, by the way. Trades taken. Letting 5 contracts run on the 50K. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. 47 pips we closed out there. Good shit. All I do is win no matter what. Good shit, Silent. I'm getting my biggest payout ever on this month. 14.8K. Holy shit, Silent. That's a W. That is a W right there. Bosh. Been eating? Yeah, bro has actually been eating. Holy shit. Chat, look. Oh shit, wait. Forgot to close on my vows. All right, fuck it, close them now. I was like, shit, I swear I have a position still running. I had it on a top step of Val as well, and I just forgot to close that. But now we closed on, oh, the copy trading didn't work on the vows. Oh well, chat, we move. Look, holy shit, chat. What a day, what a trade. Really good trade, thank you, Blizzy, I appreciate it, brother. Listen, that is it from me. Let's play the Geoguessr and we'll call it a Sesharoons. Drop a like on the stream if you haven't already. 80 people in here, only 30 likes. Come on, chat. I just made you money for free. I'm gonna start calling you guys out where it's due, right? I just made you guys serious cash for free and taught you a lesson. So basically, you're getting paid to learn. You can't drop a fucking like on the stream. What is going on with that, eh? Make sure you drop a like. If you haven't done that, then you're an entitled prick. Where's the chat? Hi, man. That was clean as fuck. Yeah, I'm telling you, it was pretty fucking clean. Pretty clean. That's like a perfectly executed trade. Like a perfectly executed trade. Cannot do it any better. Like, we waited for the setup. In fact, I called it so early on. Go back to like, I'm pretty sure like an hour ago. And I said we need a market structure shift, closure above, bottom wick, fly. That's it. How much was that across your 20? It was 2K, just above 2K. Even the broker couldn't keep you down on that one? I know, trust me. What was the max drawdown in pips? Bro, like, I think, not even 8 pips. I don't know. What was it? Oh no, the entry was up here. So I think I saw like 12 pips because it didn't go all that way down first. This was the flip. So I think we saw like 10 pips maybe. Chat, starting to reject here though. Interesting. Yeah, 10 pips is niche. In fact, it wasn't that because the max we saw was $200 and I had 17 cons. So yeah, not bad, chat. Not bad to say the least. But listen, man, I also had some copy trader problems, but join the Geoguessr. By the way, if you haven't already and you need a funded account, I'm trading on 10 Apex accounts right now. Absolutely killing it. So that's them right there. And if you want to join the Geoguessr, here is the link for that one. If I had more energy, I'd be more hyped, but that was just a clean trade all round. Chat, that's an example of how fucking well TRLS works. That trade was just literally unbeatable. Like, genuinely unbeatable. Too clean. Let me actually... Screenshot. What is that? 145 times 9 is... Yeah. That's 2K. 2 Bandaroons. It's not bad, eh, chat? Alright, wait, let me start this game in a sec. Do we have any interesting names here today? Ewan, 3 times. Not bad, just a month for wages in the UK. Yeah, nothing bad. Change timer? What timer? Oh yeah, I did. Thank you, Victory Settings. I appreciate it. Wait, let me join. Alright, we'll wait for Mr. Mochi. Actually, wait, let me do this as well. All right, nice. Mr. Mochi, are you in, bro? Mr. Mochi is here. Bugger. Crazy. Can I ask a small favor? No. To be honest, I can't imagine trading any other way. TRLS keeps everything simple and efficient as fuck. W7, you are 100% right, bro. 100% right. Absolutely killed it today. Why didn't Tom take it?
I did take the movement roll.
You got an earlier entry.
No, well, I just.
You can say the trade you got.
Hold on, give me my execution arrow so I can see exactly where I entered. I got in at 7:06.
Same as me, pretty much.
About the same as you. But to be honest, like when you were talking about it on stream, I was looking at NQ.
Mr. NQ trader over here. All right, chat. Let's start the game. Good shit. What'd you take on it there?
I had 5 pawns down and I closed. I had break even. I had my full close. So it marked out here.
Where is this?
I closed 7:11.
Nice. Oh shit, I should have let it run on the avals, you know.
Yeah, they still go.
Why is the camera so dirty, man? Where is this chat? Oh yeah. Come on, son. Get cooked. How close are the top steps to being passed now? All my days, bro. $100 away I closed. But I didn't copy trade it. That is so sicko mode. Where is this? This is like... Oh, you gotta help me out. It's gotta be the UK now.
That could be anywhere, mate. It's just fields and trees. No, it won't be that deep though if it's the UK.
Let's go middle of Europe then. Middle of Europe's always a solid guess. Yeah, it plays out every time. Oh, my days, we're in the lead. Oh, I'm in the lead. I have a stutter. What, you and or what? Mochi and Eugene playing. Maybe it's not him. No way, Mochi and Eugene are playing.
See,
that is the UK, no?
Yeah,
No.
That's Northumberland.
No, it's not, bro, because it says 150 meters. I swear we don't use meters. Oh, no, orange number plates. It's like Germany or France or somewhere. Suck my cock, mate. That is ridiculous. I'm so good. The number plates, man.
They look kind of yellow to me.
Yeah, yellow number plates on the front is not English. We have white number plates on the front.
Yeah, we do.
Ah, we're in the favelas, chat.
That's the Call of Duty map. That's literally favela.
It's gotta be, right? But I don't think it is. I reckon this is like...
Mate, I've hit hella trick shots back in the day off that.
I don't think it is that, but it looks too obvious. I think it might be something... Oh, fuck off, man.
The yellow taxi.
Panama. It's like from Prison Break. Holy shit. I know that. Is this final round? Holy shit, it is. It's all to play for right now.
What the?
Opio a la daga.
Oh,
Velkomin. Oh, that's you, mate. Oh, come on, get me over here. Keflavik. Where's that?
It's Germany.
No, it's not. This is not German. It's like Norway or something. Sweden.
They got the A and the E.
Oh my days.
And nobody got that.
Third place. Spencer. Spencer FC's taken over. Fuck this game. I'll take a third. JC. Wait, is Eugene and Mochi playing?
Good.
Right.
Both monitors.
Imagine. All right, chat. Look, we filled the range, by the way. That's pretty much full TP hit. Listen, man. If you haven't already, make sure you drop a like on the video, subscribe. I've got a new video dropping SG, the day you win will be glorious. I've won it so many times, bro. But you're right. Chat. Listen, that was a banger stream. Peace out. Much love, man. Go enjoy the rest of your day. Don't overtrade. See you all tomorrow. Same time, 12 o'clock UK time. Peace out. Much love. Bye.